Hi everybody, welcome back to Simply Sweet. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a small aquarium.
Hey friends, we are back again. In this video, we are going to show you how to set up a small fish tank with some guppies in it. Now let's take a look at what we need. You may go for a simple tank like this. My small tank measures 45 centimeter in length, 30 centimeters in width and height. You can also get various models in the market like what you see on the screen. You can choose it as per your desire and wish. In this project, we have used sand, but you may go with bare bottom tank or use any other gravel. This is a black gravel that we had used in our previous 5 feet tank. It gives a good depth and enhances the color of the fishes. Or black substrate like this, which will help you to grow grasses. This is another example of illuminating pebbles. This will glow in the dark. Or you may choose a simple gravel like this. Different gravels will give different look and it's up to your choice totally. We are planning to use a driftwood because I do have it, but you may choose any decoration of your choice. Anti-chlorine is important to dechlorinate your water. Alternatively, you may choose to keep it for 24 hours and the water will be dechlorinated. You will also need beneficial bacteria. This will help you to expedite your nitrogen cycle. Hang-on the back filter is the best recommended for small tank. When you buy the filter, ensure to check the capacity to suit your fish tank capacity. You will need sponge and media to be added to the filter. For a small freshwater aquarium, a simple LED like this will do.
As a first step, we are adding sand. This gives a nice look and will help to settle the dirt. You may choose not to put sand or gravel. This will make cleaning easy. However, note that dirt will be visible until it gets filtered.
Now we can add decorations.
Next step is to fill water. Make sure to fill the water without disturbing the sand bed or any decorations in the tank.
I am hanging the filter. This place that you can see is where the media and sponge will go. I am adding the sponge now. Now I am adding the media. Do remember to add water before you turn on the filter.
Now we are fitting the light.
The fish tank is all set and we can release the fishes now. It will be cloudy at this stage and should settle in a while.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.